The first question proposed is, how does one define religion, or how do I define religion? The closest I've come to trying to give something like a definition, though not a strict definition, is to suggest that for me, as for others, I think, religion is really involved with the limit experiences of life and the limit questions of life and answers to both. For example, by limit experiences, I mean that there are certain experiences in life, such as anxiety as distinct from fear of a particular object, or true joy as distinct from fun, that really seem to suggest something different, something deeper, something at the limit of what we usually experience, and that opens to some other dimension of life. Those experiences I would call religious. Most of them are formed by, evoked by, transformed by particular religious traditions, but the questions themselves, I think, are questions that any thoughtful human being asks. Then there are, besides limit experiences, limit questions. That is to say, the questions at the limit of our other cognitive or intellectual activities, such as the limit question to science of why is there enough intelligibility and order in the world to make it a universe, not a multiverse, and to make science, which of course must presume that there's basic intelligibility and order of whatever sort, how does that work? That's a limit question that science itself, as science, really can't answer, but the religions and the philosophical and theological reflections on the religions tries to, and I think succeeds. Similarly with morality, the question is not only, the limit question is not only what particular form of morality should I take, but why be moral at all? That's a question that morality, no system of ethics can answer on its own, no system of morality, but in fact it's a question that the religions address. So I would say that the religions are those extraordinary phenomena in human existence that suggest another dimension to human existence, and that focus principally in terms of questions on these limit questions to morality, to science, to everyday life, and in terms of experiences, of these experiences of anxiety or joy, these experiences of trying to face death, or another dimension to life, and that's really what religion, for me at least, is about.